Question number 1. What is an Ethernet MAC address?
The Ethernet MAC address. The MAC address is a device's hardware address. Each device on a local area network must have a unique MAC address assigned. The MAC address is often referred to as the Ethernet address on an Ethernet network.
Question number 2. What is the use of MAC sublayer?
The medium access control MAC is a sublayer of the data layer of the open system interconnections OIS reference model for data transmission. It is responsible for flow control and multiplexing for transmission medium. It controls the transmission of data packets via remotely shared channels.
Question number 3. Explain the role of the Ethernet broadcast frame.
In Internet and networks, broadcast frame is a frame that has a hexadecimal MAC address of FF/FF/FF/FF/FF/FF. This hexadecimal address is equivalent to 48 binary ones.
Question number 4. What is routing?
Routing is a process of selecting a path for traffic in a network or between or across multiple networks. Broadly, routing is performed in many types of networks, including circuit switch networks, such as the public switch telephone network, and computer networks, such as the Internet.
Question number 5. What is the meaning of connectionless?
Connectionless describes communication between two network endpoints in which a message can be sent from one endpoint to another without prior arrangement.
Question number 6. What is the purpose of Address Resolution Protocol?
The Address Resolution Protocol (ARP or ARP) feature performs a required function in IP routing. ARP finds the hardware address, also known as Media Access Control, MAC of the host from its non-IP address. ARP maintains a cache in which MAC addresses are mapped to IP addresses.
Question number 7. What are the roles of the MAC address and the IP address?
Both MAC address and IP address are used to uniquely identify a machine on the Internet. MAC address ensures the physical address of the computer is unique. IP address is a logical address of a computer and is used to uniquely locate computer connected via a network.
Question number 8. Internet Protocol version 4 address is a 32-bit hierarchical address that is made up of what?
IPv4 addresses are 32-bit numbers that are typically displayed in dotted decimal notation. A 32-bit address contains two primary parts, the network prefix and the host number.
Question number 9. Explain the difference between Internet Protocol version 4 address and subnet mask.
A subnet mask is a 32 or 128-bit number that segments an existing IP addresses in a TCP or IP network. Subnet mask divides the IP address into a network address and host address, hence to identify which part of the IP address is reserved for the network and which part is available for host use.
Question number 10. What are the three types of IP addresses?
I think there are 4 different types of IP addresses: public, private, static, and dynamic. While the public and private are indicative of the location of the network, private being used inside a network while the public is used outside of a network. Static and dynamic indicate permanency.
Thanks for your participation. You can now stop record screen.